Hi foodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're making a must-have dish for New Year table, Mung Kavum. Step 1. First, lightly roast. For about 4 to 5 minutes. Let it cool. Roast the 100 grams mung beans on medium-low flame. Roast for about 5 to 7 minutes till the mung beans start to brown in color. Pulse the cool mung beans to a fine powder and sieve into a clean bowl. Step 2. 20 grams sugar. One cup treacle. Gradually add tablespoons of the treacle to the bowl of dry ingredients and mix to combine. Lightly oil a board. Put the Mung Kavum batter onto the board and using a lightly oiled rolling pin. Smooth out the batter to a rectangular shape with a thickness of 1/2 inch. Cut into diamond shapes. Carefully separate the pieces, so it will be easy. When coating the pieces in the flour batter. Step 3. 100 grams plain flour, pinch of salt, 1/2 tsp, Ralahami turmeric. In a bowl, sieve the plain flour. Then add the rice flour, a pinch of salt, and Ralahami turmeric. Mix the dry ingredients by gradually adding 1 cup coconut milk to form a thick batter. Asterisk tip, make sure not to make the batter too runny. Step 4. Heat a deep wok or frying pan with oil. Asterisk tip, to see that the oil is heated. Drop a small droplet of the flour batter, and if the oil sizzles, then the oil is heated. Coat each piece of Mung Kavum in the flour batter and carefully place the coated 2 to 3 Mung Kavum in the heated oil. Depending on the size of the frying wok, can fry to 3 pieces of Mung Kavum at a time. Asterisk. On low to medium heat, fry the Mung Kavum for about 3 minutes. Perfectly fried Mung Kavum, golden, crispy outside and soft inside. Line a colander or a baking tray with some kitchen towel. A traditional Sri Lankan delight that always steals the spotlight. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious Sri Lankan food videos.